Hey everyone, welcome to Hubei Off-Road Special Vehicle. Forget bumpy rides and delays. Introducing our 6x6 off-road bus, built to conquer toughest roads. With a robust engine and 8-speed transmission, this bus tackles mountains, desert, and even the Gobi with ease. Specially designed off-road tires grip any surface, ensure a smooth and safe journey. Inside, passengers can enjoy comfortable and spacious ride. Easy access with 3-step doors and handrails, plus ample luggage space. Safety is paramount. An emergency hammer and sunroof provide peace of mind. High ground clearance with 60% climbing ability and 650 mm fording depth conquer any obstacle. Rigorously tested and water resistant, this bus is built to last. Ideal for rural routes and scenic tours, this off-road champion delivers comfort and reliability. Experience the difference. Choose the bus that conquers any terrain. To learn more, visit our website.